Hello everyone, Mike Rempel from Excel Bytes with today's Excel blog post. Today we're going to take a look at how to hide, but more importantly how to very hide worksheets in an Excel workbook. And this may become very useful, especially if you have some data that you really don't want those who might be snooping around your workbook to try to find and possibly disrupt the data that's in that worksheet. So let's take a look and see how we can do this in Excel. So here I have a workbook called Very Hidden, and it has three tabs: the Data tab, the Catalog, and just another sheet, just to have a third one there. Now to hide a sheet is very simple. If I selected just another sheet, I right-clicked, I said hide, that sheet is now hidden. The other two are still visible, and if I right-clicked and went to unhide, Excel pops up a dialog box and it will list all the sheets that are hidden. However, let's say in this case you have this drop down here where when you choose different values or different names from the data validation drop down list, the picture changes and all that data is kept on this data worksheet, and you don't want that messed with at all. And you want to hide this worksheet. Again, if you just right clicked and said hide, anyone who knows how to unhide sheets would be able to unhide them and select it, open it up, and possibly cause problems with your data. However, there's another option, and I'm just going to go ahead and unhide the data worksheet before we do this. And I'm going to hit the keyboard shortcut Alt F11, and that brings up Microsoft's Visual Basic VBA dialog here. Now here you can see our workbook, Very Hidden, and under that you have the three different worksheets: Data, Catalog, and Just Another Sheet. And if you look down in the properties at the bottom, as I click on Data, notice in the very bottom it says under Visible, it says Sheet is visible. If I click on Catalog, it says Visible. But if I click on Just Another Sheet, notice it says Sheet Hidden, because right now that's hidden. But if I select, say for example, the data sheet, click the drop down box here, notice there's a third option called Very Hidden. And I'm going to select that, and if you watch down here you will see that that sheet now has been hidden. I'll go ahead and close this. Now when I right click down here and click unhide, notice the Just Another Sheet is visible, but the data sheet is not visible in this dialog box. So normal users, unless they were very familiar with this option or VBA, wouldn't know necessarily to go into those properties and choose to unhide that worksheet. So now if I hit the keyboard shortcut Alt F11, selected that data sheet, and down at the bottom just changed it to hidden, I can close this. Now when I right click down here and select unhide, now that and the Just Another Sheet are available to be unhidden. But if we use the Very Hidden, that data would not appear in this dialog box, and it might help you in keeping your data a little bit safer. And there you have it. I hope you like what you see. If you do like what you see here, please take a minute to share this post on your favorite social network. I can be found on Facebook, Google+, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. So I hope you enjoy this. If you'd like to see more, please feel free to stop by my website, excel-bytes.com, and I hope you subscribe. So have a great day and happy excelling.